Breaking news, more trouble for key gold scam accused Swapna Suresh. Swapna Suresh booked for cheating, impersonation and forgery in a 2016 case. Suresh booked as a second accused in the case, which was registered in 2016. The crime branch police to seek custody of Suresh once the NIA customs custody ends. Well, those are the details we have. Go across to Neetu for more details. Neetu, tell us more about this 2016 case in which Swapna has been accused now.
Now, this is a case which has been registered, and now the state crime branch has registered this case and booked her as the second accused in this case. So, cheating, forgery, impersonation, these are all the charges that have been booked against her. Now, according to this case, or according to the crime branch probe, Swapna Suresh filed a complaint against a person while working in an other firm in 2016, and crime branch probe reveals, or according to the crime branch, it states that Swapna presented false witness before the internal complaint committee, and it's based on this. After their probe, they have registered this case. They have arraigned her as the second accused in this case. So they would be seeking her custody after the NIA and customs custody is over. Now this has been submitted before the magistrate court here in Thiruvananthapuram by the state crime branch.
Right, so she's going to be in custody for a long time, Neetu, because even the crime branch, of course, will be seeking custody for her, like you mentioned.
Yes, in a case like this, and when UAPA charges are there, so they will be in custody for a long time, because initially itself, when in normal cases, when it is 14 days that they are remanded to judicial custody in a UAPA case registered under the UAPA, it's normally for 30 days that they will be remanded to judicial custody. So it is going to be a long custody. Once the NIA is over, then customs will be taking her in custody for their custodial interrogation, and now after that we know that the state crime branch will also put in their application.
All right, stay on with us, Neetu. Now, BJP MP KG Alphonse has accused Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan of allowing the smuggling racket. Listen in.
See, the entire investigation is taking things right into the Chief Minister's office. See, it's so clear, Chief Minister's own Principal Secretary. He's on the personal staff of the Chief Minister. He's deeply involved with all the accused in the smuggling case. He's been in touch with them for hours together on telephone. He gets some houses to rent, and he speaks to the customs people. He's in touch with the Consul General, whose consignment has come in here. So this is a huge racket which has been going on for a long time. No excuses, Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan. No option is left for you, but you have to quit. I think he must quit. This is just not political morality. It's a criminal activity which has been aided.